How to fix PS5 Error WS-116522-7. Please try the following tips to fix PS5 Error WS-116522-7. 1. Update your PS5 via the internet, online. Restart your PlayStation 5 and connect to the internet using a wired connection as much as possible, see reasons below. And configure the network settings again. When using a wireless connection, review the installation location, bringing your PS5 closer to your router or removing anything interrupting the connection between the devices. Turn off your router and modem, and wait at least 5 minutes, then restart it. Refer to the following IMG to safely remove the power cord. 2. Update your console via a proper USB storage device. 3. Update your device with some up-to-date game disc for PS5. Also ensure there are no fingerprints, smudges, or scratches. If there are any dirt or prints, clean the disc with a soft clean cloth such as glasses cleaning cloth and wipe it from the center to the edges.